How to download and install Facebook app on Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device over here and search for Facebook to install the latest version of the Facebook application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Facebook over here, and let's tap on open since I've already installed the application. So let's tap on open. And as you tap on open, you'll be landing on the main page. So simply what you need to do is you have to tap on the option of create new account. Simply select on create new account over here. You have to mention your first name and your last name over here. So let's just enter first name and last name and then tap on next. Then you have to enter your birthday over here. So let's just enter a random birthday. So let's tap on set, tap on next, and then you have to select your gender. Then enter your mobile number if you want, or if you can, if you're not possible with phone number, you can sign up with email as well. So as you do that, you'll be able to verify yourself and create an account on Facebook as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.